I'm excited. Welcome to M&P. I'm so excited I can't talk. Welcome to M&P Family Productions. I just got this package from the FedEx man, and it is my CMP 1911. And this is going to be the unboxing. I'm excited. They called me yesterday and they offered me field grade or rack grade, no service grade. I wanted a service grade, but this was the $950 option, so that's what I got. Trusty Swiss Army knife. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. I didn't do the first round 2-3 years ago, whatever it was, because I figured, I don't need one. I got a nice 1911 A1, and I just didn't want to fool with it. Then I started getting in, I'm an FFL, so I started getting in transfers for people who did do it, friends of mine. And I'm like, oh my God, I am so jealous. They're getting all these cool guns. I got to get one. So that's what I did. All right, here's a packet taped on it. Which is, untake that. Ta-da. All right, here we go, folks. The exciting part. What a nice case. All right, here we go. Ooh, well, I can see it's a late Remington lower. Remington Ram. All right. All right. Hey, maybe it's an original barrel. Well, daggone. Thank you, CMP. Well, we're in the woods shooting in my favorite shooting spot. Got my CMP 1911 A1 Remington Ram. I had time to take this gun apart. The barrel is a HS, stands for High Standard, which is an original World War II maker of barrels for and supplied barrels to Remington. So I'm really happy with this gun. CMP sent me a really nice one. This was a field grade. I think my randomly generated number was 22,861. So if you have a number and you're waiting for that call to get your CMP, be patient. It's coming. They're moving pretty fast, which I'm excited about. So I'm going to run some rounds through it. I brought some of my U.S. service handguns with me. 1915 Springfield Armory made gun. Springfield Armory made about 25,000 1911s before they quit to dedicate themselves to producing 1903 rifles during the First World War. My CMP 1911 A1, my Beretta M9, this is a US GI M9, and a surplus SIG M17, that one of the guns that they returned from the Army that was issued. So I was really happy to get that. So got nice lineage of US issue service arms here, but we're going to concentrate on shooting this one. Let's load up some ammo. Matt just asked me an interesting and a good question. What's the difference between a 1911 and a 1911 A1? Well, for one, trigger is shorter on the A1, on the later gun, long on the early gun. You see these cutouts here, or lack of cutout on the 1911. The 19A1 added these cutouts to help people with a short finger reach that trigger. Also, the 1911 was a hand biter. This hammer would come back and pinch the web of the hand. So they made the safety, the grip safety, a little bit longer, so there was no possibility of that happening. What else? Oh, they improved the sight slightly, made them a little bit bigger and better defined. They added an arched mainspring housing. I've heard two different versions on that to help people get a higher grip on the gun instead of holding it low, to better position the hand on the grip. It's funny, most modern 1911s, you see people put the flat mainspring housing on them because that's preferred. Personally, I got big hands, I always preferred the arched mainspring housing. But those are the major differences that I can think of right now. But let's shoot something. Sucks to get old.
You don't want to leave that in there?
Maybe. Shoot the old 1915 gun, the Springfield Armory. Oh man, hard trigger. $100 and something years old, still running. $106 years old. No, wait, 1915. Yeah. 2050. Yeah, 105 years old. Still getting the job done. One of the best handguns ever. There you go.
I hit it once.
There you go.
I hit it once.
Our short little video. If you're not familiar with the CMP program, please look it up. Just Google Civilian Marksmanship Program. There'll be a wealth of information on their website, and also there's some bunch of supporting websites and YouTube videos all about the CMP. Will explain it to you and how to purchase a U.S. government 1911 that came direct from the government. The Army has to turn these over to the CMP, and the CMP is authorized by Congress to sell these to qualified civilians. And to qualify, you have to be a U.S. citizen, you have to live in a state where it's legal to have a handgun like this, and you got to show some proof of gun knowledge, carry permit, discharge from the military, participation in some shooting event or competition, prove you're a citizen. You don't really, it's easy. It's easy. If you got a driver's license, you can get one of these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, be safe. See you later.